All right, guys, so for this one, okay, you have this line, and then you've got a little bit circled, and it says that this little bit circled is 3/4. You've got 3 spots, and then you've got some other lines on here as well. And your question here asks you which division sentence represents this model. So let's see if we can figure out what we're talking about here in this model. Okay, so each of these lines here, if we were to redraw each of these circles, would represent that same 3/4 here. And I'll prove that to you in just a minute. So this whole piece kind of has been split into 3/4 pieces, or has been split into 4 different pieces, each of 3/4. Okay, and the way I'm going to show you that that works is, I don't have a different colored pen with me, but that'll be fine. Okay, is essentially I could split between 0 and 1 into 4 different pieces, and if I split it evenly into 4 different pieces, about 3 of those pieces have been circled here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then if I do the same between 1 and 2, you'll notice that this one is about halfway between 1 and 2. So if I split that into 4, then it's really like 1, 2, 3 pieces have been circled here. 1, 2, that would be the third piece there. Okay, and this would be 1 out of 2, 3, 4 pieces between the 2 and the 3. So each of those pieces is equal to 3/4, and there are 4 pieces total. So now we need to figure out which division equation best represents this model. Our first option is 4 divided by 1/4 equals 3. So this would imply that we have 4 total, that we are dividing by 1/4 to get 3 total. Okay, and here I'm going to say we're starting off with 3 and we're dividing it either by 3/4 or by 4. I wouldn't say that we have 4 divided by 1/4. That would probably look more like 4 total divided by 1/4, which would actually, if we did that math properly, would not end up equaling 3 anyways. That's not the best answer. If we had 3 divided by 4 equals 3/4, we have 3 total. If we've split it into 4 pieces,